Hello friends, today I am going to discuss the current affairs of from 1st April to 7th April. So let's start. First international news. Bob Wetton, a 113 years old man, officially became the world's oldest man. Operation Sanjeevani. In this operation, Indian Air Force airlifted essential drugs to Maldives to provide assistance during Corona lockdown by aircraft carrier C-130J. Present Maldives President is Ibrahim Mohammed Soli. Currency of Maldives is Maldives Rupiah and capital of Maldives is Malé. Next comes national news. Kavach. Kavach means Center for Augmenting War with COVID-19 Health Crisis. It was set up in IIT Mumbai in association with Minister of Science and Technology, Government of India, Present Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Harshvardhan. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and FICCI, ladies organization, has launched Hack the Crisis in India. This is one hackathon, online hackathon. It invites ideas that helps to fight with corona crisis. Civil Services Officers Association launched Karuna. Karuna means Civil Services Association reach to support in natural disaster. Next comes states in news. Modi Kitchen has been launched in Coimbatore, a city in Tamil Nadu, by a local BJP leader. In this scheme, cooked food will be served to the needy, those who are in lockdown because of this corona. In this scheme, food will be served for 20-kilometer radius. Odisha government has launched recently Mo Pratibha online cultural competition. In this competition, the young minds of the state will be engaged in the competition. They can submit the online essay, drawings and slogan, etc. Telangana government has recently installed a V-shaped tunnel. In this tunnel, people can get sanitized within 20 to 30 seconds. It was installed at Director General of Police Office of the Telangana. Present Telangana Chief Minister is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Governor of Telangana is Tamilisai Soundararajan. Next comes Science and Technology. Bharat Pay and ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited has tied up together to provide insurance cover protection for coronavirus. In this insurance plan, people those who are getting affected and getting admitted in hospital will get up to 25,000 insurance cover with a minimum premium of 199. Bharat Pay and ICICI Lombard has launched this scheme. Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam has designed a portable multi-field oxygen manifold. In this portable oxygen manifold, a multiple number of patients can be fed oxygen from a single oxygen cylinder. Naval Dockyard Mumbai has developed a low-cost IR sensor temperature gun. This is a non-contact temperature gun. In the right side you can see this is as usual IR sensor temperature gun. In this gun, radiation comes and touches the body and tell the temperature of the body. This is used to check the temperature of a corona disease person. Its cost around 5,000 to 6,000. But Naval Dockyard Mumbai has developed this low cost higher temperature gun. Its cost around 1,000 rupees. IBM has introduced an artificial intelligence platform called Watson Assistant for Citizen in India. This platform will provide all the information regarding to corona. IBM collect all the information from the Ministry of Health and other government department and from the various organization of international organization and provides the same to the citizens. It is like one virtual assistant. You know the virtual assistants of Indian Railway like Disha and all. Government of India has launched two application, mobile-based application called Arogya Setu and Corona Kavach to track COVID-19 patients. In these applications, it will after installation in your mobile, it will enable your location and it will tell the chances to get affected in corona. IIT Roorkee and All India Institute of Medical Science Rishikesh have developed a low-cost ventilator called Pranavayu. This is a portable low-cost ventilator. It can be traveled. It can be taken to any places at any time, which will help during this corona. Next comes important days to remember. International Mine Awareness Day being observed on 4th April. It is being observed to tell the harmfulness of landmine being used in war. National Maritime Day is observed on 5th April. International Day of Conscience observed on 5th April. Conscience means the morality of good and bad. International Day of Support for Development and Peace, Sports and Development. International Day of Sports for Development and Peace being observed on 6th April. World Health Day observed on 7th April. Persons died. Maria Teresa became the first royal to die in COVID-19. She was the Princess of Spain who died because of corona. Professor Arjun Dev died recently. He was a famous historian. He used to write books for NCERT. Tony Lewis, a famous mathematician and statistician who died recently. He was the co-creator of DL method. Duncan-Lewis method is used to decide the winner of a game when a match gets tied between two teams in cricket. A very famous method in cricket. You can see these two persons are he is Tony Lewis and he is Duckworth. These two people developed the Duckworth-Lewis method. This person died recently. Geeta Ramji, a famous virologist. She is Indian origin, South African scientist who died recently. Bill Withers, a famous singer and Grammy Award winner, died. Mohammad Jibril, former Libyan Prime Minister, died. Capital of Libya is Tripoli and currency of Libya is dinar. Arjun Master, a Malayali music composer, died. Next appointment, UV Praveen Rai was appointed as new chairman of NASCOM. The smart triplet is declared as the mascot for 19th Asian Game 2022. It will be held in Hangzhou city of China. The name of these smart triplets are Chen Chen, Chong Chong and Lian Lian. These three mascots represent three places in China. One represents one old city. Second represents a lake in China, and third represents one canal in China. International Weightlifting Federation banned Thailand and Malaysian weightlifters at Tokyo Olympics 2023 for doping violation in 2018 World Championship. The headquarters of International Olympic Committee in Lausanne, Switzerland. PETA awarded Naveen Patnaik, the Chief Minister of Odisha, as hero to animal for feeding animals during this Corona lockdown period. Thank you for watching this video.